This is the car we're going to try the carburetor on. This is my 76 Dodge Dart. It currently has a vacuum secondary 780 Holly carburetor on it, and the car starts and runs good. I'll fire it up for you once before we start. That's how she runs. We'll see how it starts and runs in the car later on. Okay, let's get her. Time to get her changed out. And there you go, it's on there. Now, I've got my remote starter button because I don't have the linkage hooked up. All I did was hook up the return spring, and I've got the gas line hooked up, and I've got the PCV and a couple other vacuum lines blocked off. So I'm going to turn the key on, let the fuel pump prime up. We'll jazz it a couple times with the throttle and see if it starts. Give it a try. Let me see here a minute. We'll zoom in a little for you. Okay, I think the fuel filter is full. Let's see what happens. Oh my God! All right, let's try it again. All right, she's sucking air someplace. Let me try it again. Okay, on the first attempt, which it did fire, I had another vacuum leak I didn't realize. It's got a hookup in the back for power brakes, which this doesn't have, and I didn't realize it at first when I put it on. I got manual brakes on this. So I found that I got this piece of fuel line, same threads as the fitting, and I put this little nipple thing on the other end to block off the vacuum, and we'll try it again. I think this thing's going to be okay, so I'm going to put this on right now. If I can get it in there. It's a little long. I don't want to have to cut this fuel line because I want to use it for something else later on. Oh, there it goes, right there. Okay, let me grab my wrench, I'll tighten that up. There we go. I'm going to tighten these mixture screws down a little bit. I was riching it up when it wasn't running good, thinking I had it too lean. Now you notice I haven't shut the camera off. There's no pausing, so I'm going to try to start it again. I mean, I could have edited all that stuff out, but I didn't. I want you to see real life here. So I'm going to give her another little shot of gas here. Okay, get another one. I just turned it too far. Let's try it again. engine. It might even idle smooth. That's not bad. Now you remember what we started with. This is what we ended up with. We didn't use anything fancy. You could have even done it without the Kim Dip carburetor cleaner. You could have done it with a crock pot, simple greens, toothbrushes, carb cleaner, WD-40, and you could have done the very same thing. See, the motor was cold when I started. Now it's heating up. You get this choke working, you have your fast idle, and that's about right. I'm going to call that good. Even though that cheapy kit was a little iffy, so if I ever go through it again, I'll buy a regular Edelbrock kit for it. But I'm happy with that right now. I got a spare carburetor now. I got another vehicle that actually has a carburetor like this on there, but it's running pretty good, so I don't want to mess with it. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this little trip through carburetor land. This is Kevin Hunt, Dragon Dart Videos. As always, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and look